Scott Bessent, a big time hedge fund manager, really smart guy. Any just initial thoughts on the Treasury appointment?
Yeah, I think Wall Street's really going to like this one. We know folks who've invested with Scott and think very highly of him. It's been, I think, a very strong and compelling voice, sort of articulating what really Trump has stood for and what his economic policies would consist of. So I think markets will react pretty well, when they open on Monday, that there's a solid next Treasury Secretary. And I'd add, it's really nice, from my vantage point, that it's someone with a real Wall Street background, a money manager background in that seat, as opposed to, like an academic like Janet Yellen or a PhD who's, I've had some experience actually directly with some of those folks. You'd be surprised about like the knowledge gap between, an academic PhD type, as prestigious as their degrees may be, and someone who's actually been in the trenches, trading treasury bonds, buying and selling stocks, managing money, in terms of the actual practical knowledge of how markets work. And he's someone who understands how markets will react to policies. He understands how to kind of address markets and communicate policy to markets. So, it's very helpful.